Alright, you made it to the end of the video. Much appreciated. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe button, make some comments, make some noise on this channel. Tell me what you want to see. If you like these videos, cool. If not, tell me something different. We got fish and bikes. That's pretty much the Sawyer Custom side of things. Mad Scientist Musician deals with video editing, music production, recording, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to see that kind of stuff and some video gameplay, go check out the Mad Scientist Musician page. Also, twitch.tv/RandySawyer for live streaming and video games, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, alright, appreciate you guys for clicking on the video and watching all the way through. It makes a world of difference, really helps push that algorithm. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Next video coming out, maybe a week, maybe less, you never know. I'm kind of trying to push these things out weekly, if not 2 a week. Sometimes I get a little behind. Music production for the videos behind. The music production in the background of the videos is all me, so I'm making the videos and I'm seeing how long they are, and then I'm sitting down playing drums, playing guitar, playing the bass, playing all that stuff, editing, recording, putting it all together, and then putting it behind the video. So I'm not just recording the videos and throwing them up anymore. I'm actually making an effort to make them a little bit better. So if you like what's going on, cool, let me know. Appreciate it, guys. Take it easy.